Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 Civic Education Past question. Question number 56 says an alien who has lived in Nigeria for 20 years may acquire citizenship by dash. An alien here means foreigner, foreigner that are live in Nigeria can acquire that citizenship. So option A, citizenship by birth, no. This is a citizenship by nature or natural citizenship. Natural citizenship. The honorary is by honor. The nationalization. Citizenship by nationalization simply means citizenship by nationalization. Nationalization is by living in a state for years and then show interest for citizenship. Then citizenship by naturalization means denouncing one's original citizenship. Then registration is by marriage. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.